Kleśo, dhikataras teṣhām avyaktāsakta-chetasām. Avyakta hi gatiḥ duḥkhaṁ. Dehavadbhir avāpyate. Here, Krishna reveals a profound truth. Meditation on the formless absolute is extremely difficult. Let's break it down. Glowing star. 1. Kleśo dhikataras. Greater difficulty. Krishna begins by saying the formless path involves extra suffering or extra strain. Why? Because the unmanifest cannot be seen, touched, imagined, or emotionally connected to. Glowing star 2. Avyaktāsakta-chetasām. Those fixed on the unmanifest alone. The mind needs something to hold on to. But the formless gives nothing. No image, no sound, no personality, no relationship, no comfort, no visual anchor, so the mind struggles. Glowing star 3. Avyakta hi gatiḥ duḥkhaṁ. The path of the unmanifest is painful. This does not mean the path is wrong. It means the path is intense. To meditate on infinity, you must sit in deep silence, detach from the senses, and be free from emotional dependency. Glowing star 4. Dehavadbhir avāpyate. For those in a physical body, this is even more difficult. The body has needs. The senses have demands. The mind has habits. The heart has emotions. For someone living in a physical world, remaining absorbed in the formless is extremely rare. Glowing star. Why Krishna says this now? Krishna is preparing Arjuna to understand. Do not force yourself into a path that does not suit your nature. Some people are naturally meditative, but most require a form, a relationship, a connection, a sense of closeness, a feeling of personal devotion. This is why Krishna teaches Bhakti Yoga next, a path full of love, ease, and emotional grounding. Glowing star. Real life understanding. Imagine meditating on empty space for 1 hour. Most people will get distracted, feel restless, overthink, fall asleep, get irritated. This is what Krishna means. He's not discouraging meditation. He is guiding Arjuna toward the path that fits the human mind best. Glowing star. Final message. Krishna honors both paths. But here he explains the challenge of the formless path to help seekers choose wisely. This sloka is a turning point, leading toward practical devotion in the next verse.